So today we have 7 machines to go to. Well, 7 locations to go to. Some of them have got more machines than one on site. One of the locations is actually only open after about 5 o'clock, so I have to go home, eat my tea, and then go straight back out, which is not ideal, but I don't have to go every week, so it's not too bad. So technically we've got 6 to do today and 1 to do tonight. It's going to be a hot day. I've got a little bit of shopping to do this morning because we are running out of energy drinks, like Monster, Lucozade Alert, Powerade, Lucozade. Actually, I think we've got Powerade in. Just mainly Lucozade Sport, and then Crisp as well. We are running low on Crisp. So yeah, I'm going to fill some boxes up and then I'm going to get back to you in a minute. Let's go, it's going to be a good day. So I think I'm going to start off with the place I'm going to tonight, because that is a big BevMax machine. And if you don't know what a BevMax machine is, this is a BevMax machine. It's just a full drinks machine. This is a BevMax 30, the one that I've got in. It's like a gym / leisure centre. If you are from the US, it's a don't know. It's one of them places where you play basketball. But yeah, it's like a gym inside a school. But it only, basically, it's really cool because the vending machine has a timer on it. It only works after 3:30. So the kids in the school can't use it during the day because it obviously has energy drinks in it and stuff like that. But as soon as it hits 3:30 and people come in to use the gym, like the adults come in to use the gym after school, clubs start happening, when the parents are there, that's when people can start using the vending machines. Which you'd think that I'd lose out on sales, but it gets so busy. And now that I've never had this location in the summer, and honestly, the summer sales are doing really well. And we're only in May, so I'm excited for June and July. So with that being said, because it's a massive BevMax machine, I sell a lot of Lucozade, and I sell a lot of these and the blue ones, Powerade. Where is it gone? There we go. Sell a lot of these. So I think I'm going to use the black crates. They are over there. But yeah, I'm going to have to buy a little bit more of these from the wholesalers because I've only got like 2 packs in and it's definitely not going to be enough. So let's go, guys. I am going to speed this up and I'm going to do it on my own and I'll get back to you when it's finished. Okay, that took so long. I didn't realise how empty they were. Should have had an idea because it is getting hot. I'm going to do 6 machines today, not 7, because I genuinely didn't have enough boxes to do everything. So yeah, let's go best way. Just got to the first location. It's a warehouse. I'm just going to be filling it up. Not really much else to say. It's a little bit empty. It's like 50%, maybe a little bit more than 50% empty. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys me filling it up. That was really awkward. Right, I'm gonna head like towards home. It's like an hour, not an hour's drive, like 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna fill it up, and I am gonna get the puppy, and then I'm gonna head back. I'm gonna continue this video tomorrow. But yeah, can't tell you how hot it is in there. It's like a powder place paint thing. I just said to the guy, I don't know how you do it in this heat. He was like, I'm used to it. I was like, whew, better you than me, mate. Let's go. That is a jam toy. My God. Jammy jam. There we go. There we go. Come on. Right. £4 and about 60p. We'll look in there later. Holy, what he needs. Is it? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, lovely.
We were all here.
A live audience.
And I wanted to film as well.
Oh.
Safe to say I didn't film much. Oh, sticky. Cleans that doing very good. We need Rockstar Blue. Whoa, motherfucker. 5 of those home slices. I don't remember seeing these in that machine. Coca-Cola. 6. Oh, sand, mate. This coil hasn't been working, so I have just twisted it back into its normal position. I'm going to reset the motor, and then if that doesn't work, I'm going to rechange the motor, and if that doesn't work, I'm just going to get an engineer out, because if I'm being honest with you, I really can't be bothered. But the only issue is this place only opens 5 till 10 at night, and then all day weekends. So when can I get an engineer out in those times? God knows. But I've made some really good relationships in the industry, so hopefully somebody will be willing to do that job for me. This is like the only place that these don't sell. Everywhere else they sell out, and these, I thought they'd do alright here, but apparently not. So I might just drop them to like £1, see if they go. So guys, it's the next day. I'm actually feeling a little bit more motivated today. I'm still tired, but I think it's because I got hay fever, so my eyes are really drowsy. Yeah, it's a nice day today, really nice day. So I think I've got like 7, 8 machines to do, well, locations to do. But I'm excited to get them done. I'm really motivated. Also, shout out to Meg for filming those little bits last night. It was nice to see Meg. So thank you to Meg for filming a load of content. She filmed a load of content for this vlog and short form content for me. So big shout out to Meg. She is an absolute superstar. Plus it was nice to see her. Not seen her in absolute time, so, and by absolute time probably like 2 weeks. Alright guys, I didn't really film in there because every time I go in, they're always in the break room, so I don't really know what I can do in there. But I filmed it when it was full, so that's all that matters. Right, I'm heading to a few offices now. 2 offices that are in the same, that basically they're run by the council, and 2 offices. One's got just a combi in, big combi, and then the other has small combi and a coffee machine. Coffee machine doesn't do much, but I rarely have to fill it up, probably like every 3 months. It barely does anything, but it keeps them happy, and the combi does quite a bit, so is what it is. And then in the same area, I am going to do a healthcare facility. So yeah, and then after that, I am heading about 45 minutes out of the way to do 3 factories, and then I'm pretty sure that's me out of the way. No, that's not what I wanted to say. That is me done for the day. But yeah, so I'm gonna go drive about 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes to one area, and then 45 minutes to another area, and then I am done for the weekend. So I'm excited. Let's go. Oh my god, I've never had to rush so fast in my life. I just got to the biggest factory that I have, and they closed the gate at 2:45. Literally 2 minutes to now. 2 minutes quarter to, and on a Friday. And they were like, oh, we closed at 2:45. It's like, shit. So I couldn't film anything because I was just bombing it. And I got to the gate at 2:45 and he was about to leave. I was like, no, I'm still here. So yeah, I've just made it up. I mean, there's still people on site, obviously, but I would have had to leave in the visitor's entrance, not the contractor's entrance. And honestly, it's such a big fucking site. It would have took me out of the way 15 minutes. So I'm glad I made it. What is going on, guys? Thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you to all my new subscribers. I've had a lot of new subscribers over the past week or so. Welcome. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Like, comment, and follow my social media in the link below. If you want to join the course, that'll be in the link below as well. Peace. I'll see you next time.